Hey guys, Whitney here. Just wanted to record a quick video for you. A couple people have been asking about how to do the cover photo that converts. And so I'm going to use a new client here. We're going to go ahead and update this cover photo. Wow, some people. I'm just kidding, Erin, if you're listening. So the first thing that you want to do is decide what action you actually want your cover photo to create. And so for them, I've decided that we are going to send people to their homepage, okay? Their homepage is actually going to have a lot of other quick links, testimonials, things like that. And so that is the call to action that we're going to create here, all right? So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is we are going to open up Canva. Big shocker, I'm a huge Canva fan. But once you are in Canva, Facebook cover photo right here is going to give you the perfect size for your image. So if you just click on that, it's going to give you the 851 by 315, which is what you need. And it even has this little spot here that's going to show you where your profile picture goes. Remember, that's important because we do not want to put something super important like our phone number or your logo that's going to end up behind this cover photo. So what we want to do is go ahead and start with a background. I typically like to upload a background. So you can see in here I was able to do a lot of different backgrounds. So let's say we were going to use this palm tree, this little beachy sunset or sunny, it's sunny. Notice how when I blew this up, it got all pixelated. So that is not an image that I want to use. I want to make sure that whatever image I use is going to be big enough that it will turn out really crisp and really clean once we have our finished product. So let's go through, look at a couple of other backgrounds. We kind of want to fit with the seasons. So uploading all your images, whatever it is that you want to do. Let's see if this one will stay nice and crisp, because I think we could do something really awesome with it if it will. Okay, so see how this image stays really crisp, and now you have these doors here. So that's our background image. I might change it, but just for the sake of this, I want to kind of show you guys here. Now you can go ahead and you can just add some text in, change up your fonts. Here's where you're going to change your colors, anything like that. But Canva also has tons of these free buttons over here. So notice I've clicked on text and I am just scrolling through to see what I want. I want something that's big. So let's say this hello button here. I can go ahead and change the text in here. What can trade do for your business? Wow, that's pretty tiny. And then I can go ahead and up the font, right? Say I want it to be really big. Oh, are we not on the font? Okay. Something like this. You just change there. If you wanted to change the color of your bubble, you can go right here, right? All my stuff is pink. So this is going to look like the profile picture is thinking, what can trade do for your business? And then I can go ahead and put in, let's say maybe like a banner. Here's a little door sign. I can shrink it down. And put click here to now you can put the click here anywhere on the image because it really isn't going to matter. You are going to use basically the entire image as the click here button. So that's that's basically it. Now we would go ahead and do download. Once you hit download, you're going to select a high quality PNG. So click here. Now that once your download downloads, it's going to go into your download folder unless you choose for it to go somewhere else. So now this image here is downloaded onto my computer. So now I can go back to Facebook. Here, there's going to be a change cover photo button. I'm going to choose to upload a photo. And I'm going to find my image here and open it. It's going to upload, and normally you would be given the option to kind of move it around or resize it or anything like that. Drag to reposition. But when using the Canva outline, it's going to be the exact perfect size. Okay, so save these changes, and there you can see it's got a call to action on it here in the back. Obviously this is branded for me, so I'm going to do a different one for him, but now you can see how to do it and how to upload it. Now we need to make the click here do something. So when people click on this, it opens it up, and we're going to add a link here in the description. Okay, so really easy. I wanted to use this one from the website, the front page of the website. So I'm going to go up here, and I am just going to copy this link. And when I come over here, I'm going to paste it. Now, if it was a bigger link or something like that, I use Bitly, and I will show you that in just one second, especially if you're doing this for someone else and you want to actually track how many people are clicking your cover photo. So if you're testing out a few different ones, you're going to want to use a Bitly link so that you can track how many people are using it. So to see what offering trade as a currency can do, go to www.allbusinessbarter.com and find out. Now when I'm done editing, you can see it's going to become a link. When someone clicks on the link, it's going to take them to the page. Okay, really easy there. So let's say that I needed to track it. Okay, we're talking a Bitly link. You're just going to go to bit.ly, and yours will actually probably, if you create an account that's really good, you'll be able to track more. So I created an account here, but even if you don't, you can just paste in here and it's going to give you this link. So I just copy this link. How in the world have 39 people already? Oh, on other bit links to this content. Okay, I was like, what in the world? Okay, then I come back in here to Facebook, and instead of using this link here, I would change it to the bit link. And then when I hit done editing, it's going to show here and send them right where I want to. So now let's take a look at it as just a user. I come to the page. What can trade do for your business? Click here to find out. And then in the description it says, to see what offering trade as a currency in your business can do, go to and find out. I click it, and it takes me to the page. Really awesome, really easy. Some of you might be having some struggles here in Canva. Just try a lot of stuff. I really like Canva. And the more you play around in Canva, the more proficient you're going to be with it. So make sure that you don't get frustrated. If you get stuck with something, then give me a call, message me or message Victoria, and we will help you. We use Canva so much. So just wanted to create this video for anyone who was having any sort of issues. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and contact one of us, but we will see you guys in class. Thanks.